In this tutorial, we build key pizzicato from scratch. It is a short synthetic pizzicato with a firm tonal center associated with Young Money bedrock. We begin from Sylenth's initialized sound, focus on the decisions that define its character, and audition every important stage. Build the primary layer first. Set oscillator A2 waveform to triangle saw, set oscillator A1 waveform to triangle saw, set oscillator A2 voices to 2, and set amp envelope a decay to about 6.5. This establishes the main pitch, width, and amplitude contour. Bring in part B as the supporting layer. Set oscillator B2 waveform to half pulse, set oscillator B1 voices to 3, set oscillator B2 voices to 2, and set amp envelope B decay to about 6.4. This adds the second layer without obscuring the primary transient. Start the filtering with the primary layer. Set filter a type to Lopez, set filter a cutoff to about 1.6, set filter a slope to 12 dB, and set filter a drive to about 1.2. This establishes the filter model and routing for the primary oscillator layer. Now shape the secondary layer before it reaches the shared controls. Set filter B type to Lopez, set filter B cutoff to about 1.9, set filter B slope to 12 dB, and set filter B drive to about 1.1. This shapes the secondary layer before both parts reach the shared filter control. Use the shared filter control to set the overall tonal contour. Set main filter cutoff to about 1.9 and set main filter key track to about 4.6. This sets the final cutoff movement, resonance, key response, and drive shared by both parts. Build the modulation movement one envelope at a time. Set mod envelope 1 sustain to 0, set mod envelope 1 destination 1 amount to -10, set mod envelope 2 decay to about 2.3, and set mod envelope 2 sustain to 0. The envelope shapes determine how each modulation route develops after a note begins. Next, set the repeating modulation from the LFO section. Set LFO2 destination 1 amount to about 0.7, set LFO2 destination 1 target to pitch A, set LFO2 destination 2 amount to about -0.4, and set LFO2 destination 2 target to pitch B. The LFO rates, shapes, and destinations create the repeating movement in the tone. Now connect performance gestures to the modulation destinations. Set routing block 1 destination, a 1 to filter cutoff A and B, set routing block 1 destination amplitude a 2 to 10, set routing block 1 destination a 2 to the part A and B mix, and set routing block 1 destination B1 to LFO2 gain. These routes connect playing gestures such as velocity, aftertouch, and the modulation wheel to the sound. Open the stereo image with the chorus. Turn on chorus, set chorus dry wet mix to 78%, set chorus rate to about 2 Hz, and set chorus mode to single. The chorus widens the image and softens the boundaries between the oscillator voices. Place the sound tonally with the equalizer. Turn on EQ, set EQ treble frequency to about 1739 Hz, set EQ treble to about 9.6 dB, and set EQ bass frequency to about 170 Hz. The equalizer places the finished color in the intended frequency range. Set the depth and scale with the reverb. Turn on reverb, set reverb dry wet mix to about 47%, set reverb damp to about 3.9, and set reverb predele to about 128 milliseconds. The reverb establishes scale and depth while keeping the direct sound readable. Finally, control the dynamics with the compressor. Turn on compressor, set compressor attack to about 37 milliseconds, set compressor release to about 195 milliseconds, and set compressor ratio to about 3:1. The compressor stabilizes the level and brings the layers into one coherent gesture. Set how the sound responds while it is being played. Set portamento mode to slide and set polyphony to 6. These settings determine polyphony, pitch bend, portamento, and legato response. Finish by balancing the two layers and the output level. Set mix A to 0, set mix B to about 2, and set main volume to 6. This sets the relationship between parts A and B and the final output level. With every audible parameter matched, this is key pizzicato rebuilt from the init sound.